Welcome to Auto City. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the all-new 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech, a modern electric revival of Renault's iconic classic, combining retro-inspired design with cutting-edge electric technology. The Renault 4 E-Tech is here to redefine urban mobility with style, practicality, and sustainability. Let's dive into the details. The exterior of the Renault 4 E-Tech pays homage to its classic roots while embracing modernity. Its boxy silhouette remains true to the original, but sleek LED headlights and a bold front grille give it a contemporary touch. The illuminated Renault logo at the center is a nod to its electric heart, sculpted lines along the sides, black cladding, and 18-inch aerodynamic wheels add a rugged charm. At the rear, C-shaped LED taillights and the large tailgate emphasize its practicality and unique design identity. Inside, the 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech blends retro charm with futuristic technology. The cabin features a clean, minimalist design with sustainable materials like recycled upholstery and eco-friendly trim. The seats are spacious and comfortable, ensuring a pleasant ride for all passengers. Practicality is key, with generous storage compartments and a flat folding rear bench that expands the cargo space for everyday needs or weekend getaways. At the heart of the dashboard is a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system equipped with Renault's latest EasyLink interface. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time navigation. A fully digital driver display provides all essential information, including range, battery status, and driving modes. Additionally, features like a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a customizable ambient lighting system enhance the overall experience. Under the hood, or more precisely, under the floor, the Renault 4 E-Tech features an efficient electric drivetrain, powered by a 52 kWh battery pack. It offers a range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for urban commutes and short trips. The electric motor delivers 135 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and quiet driving experience. It supports fast charging, allowing you to recharge from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, so you're always ready to hit the road. Safety and assistance are top priorities for Renault, and the 4 E-Tech is equipped with advanced features to ensure peace of mind. Renault's suite of safety technologies includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. Additional features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert add an extra layer of protection. The 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech is not just an electric car, it's a statement of innovation and nostalgia. Its stylish design, practical features, and impressive range make it a perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers who value both functionality and character. That's all for today's review on Auto City. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned to Auto City.